Mrs. Grace, and I want to ask you about how you see YouTube video. Okay, I see YouTube as a very good platform where you can explore and make a lot of differences if you really want.
Hi guys, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clone video, and if this is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. Please, if you are a newcomer that just coming across my video for the first time, thank you, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I post a video you will be notified. And if you are my old my old subscribers, kudos to you. Thank you so much, and we are hitting 500 subscribers very soon, and you guys made it possible. Please help me to take me to 500 subscribers, and I want to appreciate you for always staying by my video and always watching it. I will keep bringing value and also keep making you guys proud. So let's dive into the video of how you can create your clone video by yourself with yourself. Let's dive into the video. This is my Capcut. Then I come to new projects. Then I want to put the video that I want to use for this tutorial, which is this video.
Hello,
And
Grace.
I'll say add. So the video is now in Capcut. Then what will I do? Like here, from here to this place that I work in, I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut it off. I will stay here. I will come to this place. Here, I will click on split. Please, before you ask me what I use to, before you ask me what I use to screen record, cast how I cast my phone on my laptop. This is my phone and I'm using it, and I cast it on my laptop. Before you ask me, please go and watch my video on how to cast your Android Android screen phone to PC laptop. I've made a video on that so that you can be able to do this tutorial if in case you feel that you use your video to film, because I use my phone to film the video. That is why I'm casting it on my laptop. So let's continue. So I've split it and I'm going to delete this part. I'm going to delete this part that I highlighted, and I will say delete. So it's leaving me with here.
Hello, Mrs. Grace, and I want to ask.
Then this is where I am asking her the question. As you can see, this is a one video that I made. I just did a one video. All of the same are here on this video. So I'm going to I'm going to take it to where I ask her the question, like here. I finish asking her.
YouTube video.
Before I continue, let me first of all increase the volume of this video. I go to volume and sorry, let me show you how I do it. I want to increase the volume of this video. What I will do is I highlight this video and come here, look for volume, tap see volume, tap on volume, then increase to 100%.
Hello, Mrs. Grace,
As you can see,
and I want
video
to ask
is
you
loud
about
now.
how you see YouTube video.
So this is where I'm going to split it. Here she's still talking, so I'm going to split it here. I will say split. Then go back on highlight this one and click on overlay because I want to bring it down. This one. Then I come here, look for overlay, and as you can see our overlay here. I click on overlay and it has come down, so I will drag it tap and hold it and come so I can start here. So as you can
Hello,
see
Mrs.
them,
Grace.
you can see the two
I
of
want
them
to
are
ask
not
you
showing.
about.
So
I want to ask you about.
two of them are showing and not showing. So what am I supposed to do? First of all, I will come to the overlay, tap on it. I'm walking around there, so I have to, trim where I was walking to the other side to make the video, because I have to show myself where I'm listening to the question she's asking me. So I'm here. I've walked to this place. Then I tap on it. Then split again on this one. Then delete this part. See the part I'm going to delete because it's not needed. Then still tap it and bring it forward so that it will show where I'm listening to the questions she's asking me. Then I'll come here again. Come here. I want to see. She's still listening. She's still listening. Then she
Then
has finished listening here.
then I'll
She has finished listening to the question. Then tap on it and split again. So why I splitted here is because I want to get where I was listening to her and I was shaking my head. That is why I that is why I that is why I split it from there. So let's see.
Hello, Mrs. Grace.
Okay.
I
You
want to
see the way I'm
ask you
smiling.
about
Okay.
how
Okay.
you see
Okay.
YouTube video.
Okay. You see? And I'm listening. Then here I have to make this to be the same with this, equal in equal length. So this overlay, what will I do with this overlay? I click on it, come down, look for marks, because I want to show myself in the two places. This is marks here. Then tap on marks, tap on horizontal. This is horizontal, tap on it. Then come to this place and turn it anti-clockwise. See it. Then as I turn it anti-clockwise, what again will I do? As you can see, this other side is black. This other side here is black, and I come back to this place, tap on the horizontal again, go to fader, then increase the brightness so that it will be the same thing. I've increased it. If you to increase it, it will be very obvious. So just do it like 25%. So, and click done. Let's watch and see what we have.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. I want to ask you about how you see YouTube video.
Okay. Now it has finished. It has finished. Excuse me. You see how we get this one? Let's play it again.
Hello, Mrs. Grace. I want to ask you about how you see YouTube video.
So this is from the question the interviewer is asking her. Then from her response, we need to see her response. Then bring the second video down. The continuation of the video, you can as well overlay again, or like my own is one video, so everything is already in Capcut. So what I do is I just bring this one, I just bring it down because that is where I'm answering her question. Let's see.
then I'll still be here. I will not say.
Then I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to arrange myself very well. So what I will do is I'm going to cut out where I've not started talking.
To
Okay. Then
okay.
okay, I've started talking here. So what I will do is I'm going to tap on it, split again, and delete the part. This part that I was still, this part that I was still arranging
Then I'll
myself.
still
So
be here.
I have to tap on it, delete it, come here, tap on this one because it's overlaid. That is why it did not close automatically. So I just tap it and arrange it very well. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay. Then what will I do? I have to show where the interviewer is listening to the person that she is interviewing. Now she's saying
I see
her mind.
YouTube as a very good platform where you can explore.
Okay. Now that she's answering the question they asked her, we have to come and split again from where from where she is, where she ends where she finishes her answer. Let's see. Okay, she has finished here. Okay. So I'm going to split it from here. Also bring this one down. As you can see, when I bring it down, I will drag it to where this one starts because it's a question and answer section. Let's see.
Okay.
As you can see, it's only
I
one.
see it
It's
too.
only one that is showing, and the person is working to go to the other side to film. So what will I do? I will just click on the overlay, follow here that the person is walking back to go and film the next scene, and she's listening to what this is the interviewer now. She's listening to what the person she's interviewing is saying. So what will I do? I come to this place.
I didn't know that my mic went off. So when you come to this place, you highlight the one under and delete it. Then bring the under one closer.
Okay.
As you can see.
I see it.
Then what next are you going to do? What you will do is you highlight on that second one, go under that place, under there, look for marks. We are going to mark the second time, take horizontal, then turn it anti-clockwise because you need to turn it anti-clockwise. Yes, then the next thing you will do when you turn it anti-clockwise is to come to that horizontal and take feather, then set it according to the way you want it to be. Let's see how it will come out. Let's see. Okay, this is how it's come out.
Okay. I see YouTube as a very good platform where you can explore and make a lot of differences if you really want it. Okay. In your
So what I will do next is to highlight on the second one, split it and delete it. So let's see what we have all together.
hello, Mrs. Grace. I want to ask you about how you see YouTube video. Okay. I see YouTube as a very good platform where you can explore and make a lot of differences if you really want.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like to enable YouTube algorithm to send you a notification whenever I post a video. See you in my next video. Bye.